Hello everyone, my name is Salurak. As you all knew that last night I got approved an account from MaxBounty in less than 3 hours, or you can say in 4 hours, and I shared it in the Blogger Funda group. And many people asked me the question that how I got approved MaxBounty account, because many people are trying to sign up on the MaxBounty account and they are not getting approved from the MaxBounty. So in this video I'm going to tell you about how you can get the MaxBounty account verified. Thinking to make this video in Urdu, but as you know that there are many members from other countries except Pakistan and India, so that's why I'm trying to speak some English so that many people get help from this video. As many people try to sign up as an affiliate, so I will try to do the same. So they are saying that our rates are highest, that's why we are already trying to sign up on the Max Bounty. So when you click on join the Max Bounty, they will ask you some details, like they are asking about your basic info, security, your contact, what is your address, your experience, and at the end you have to agree to their terms and conditions. So in my case, I just provide them the my real info, that like my name is Esanulak, my company name. You can use your any company name. You can use the password and confirm password. Like I am trying to do, company name is BC, but you have to use some real name that will look real, like my name, my company name can be infinite infinite softex. That can be name, and password can be anything, and they are saying that password should be 8 to 12 characters long. Okay, I'm just copying this and I am pasting an underscore at the end. You have to select your two security questions, like what was the name of your first grade teacher. It can be my name. What was the middle name of your oldest cousin. It can be my last name. After this you have to click next and you have to enter your email. So I'm telling you again that you have to use your real email. So I'm using my email. Phone number can be, and what is your time zone. This is the important thing. You have to select your time zone as you are living in the country. So in my case our is GMT plus 5 and it's here. So they are asking about when can you be reached. So please consider it the most important thing, because they will call you as you will say. So you can get the call in the early morning, late morning, early afternoon. I will try. uh, uh, you have to pick the evening, I think so, because many people will be free at then. And what is your Skype handle? So my Skype handle will be Esan. This is your Skype ID. And how did you hear about Max Bounty? From Facebook. After this you have to type your address, blah blah blah. You have to type the city. Okay, my country is Pakistan and non-South American state. It is Punjab. So use some postal code. After this you have to click, and this is the most important thing at the end that you have to take care about. So what is your experience? You have to select at least from the last three options. So After this, describe your past experience in the affiliate marketing. You can mention that you are working with the AdSense. You are doing you know the affiliate marketing with the other networks like ClickBank. Okay, just write 3 to 4 lines here. So after this, the next question is, how do you tend to promote offers? You can again use that you can promote the offers using the social media platforms and advertisements on the websites. What offers you are looking for? You can write here email submission, form submission, uh, downloads, your website URL. This is the important thing. If you don't have a website, you have to put your uh, YouTube link, YouTube channel link here. Is this account required for incentive traffic? As per my concern, I chose no here because I have no idea why I did this, but I choose no. But many people recommend you to use yes as answer, and then you have to describe the incentive. So in my case, I selected no because I don't want to describe, and I fed up with the writing here. So after the when you click on the next, you have to agree to their terms and condition. After this, you have to verify your
It's
email
5 o'clock.
address and just wait for their call. If you provide the information here correctly and in a professional way, you will get the call from the MaxBounty manager. So the next thing is that what are the questions that MaxBounty manager will ask from you. So